Second problem, draw triangle ABC with AB is equals to 5 centimeter, angle A is equals to 100 degrees, AC is equals to 4 centimeter. Draw the circumcircle of triangle ABC. Is the center inside or outside the triangle? So we need to draw the circumcircle, then we need to check whether the center is inside or outside the triangle. So let's start. First we will draw the base. Here I am going to take the base as 5 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter. This point is A and this one is B, and the length here is 5 centimeter. Now from point A we need to draw 100 degrees. So 100 is here. Now join this point A and now let us join this point A and 100 degrees ray. So this will be the 100 degrees ray. So we can write over here. Next we need to draw 4 centimeter from point A. So I have taken the radius as 4 centimeter. Now let's draw from point A to cut that line. Let us name this as C, and we need to join this point with B. Next is we need to draw the perpendicular bisectors of AB and BC. We can draw of any two sides. Okay, so perpendicular bisector, to draw the perpendicular bisector we need to take more than half. From B I am going to draw now let's join this. Now we need to draw the perpendicular bisector. Now we can join these 2 points. So this is the center. This is the point where these two arcs, the two perpendicular bisectors are meeting. We will name it as O. Now we will take this O as a center and the radius from O to B and lock it. From O to B we have checked from O to C, then from O to A. Now it's everything is okay. Now we can draw the circle. So this is the required circle. So what we understood, since angle A is equals to 100 degrees, so it is the triangle here is obtuse angle triangle, and in an obtuse angle triangle the circumcenter, you can see the center O lies outside the triangle, therefore the center is outside the triangle.